Hello. Today we will be doing the exercise 3 for course CSC 6710, which is DBMS. In this exercise, basically, we would be running some update and delete commands. So, let me show you the code first, explain you the code, and then we can move on and execute it. So, this is the code. We're running some SQL commands over here. The first one is drop table. So basically, we are deleting the table, and the second SQL command we are creating the table again. Creating the table with the name student, and then ID integer auto increment, so it'll increment itself. And the name we are giving varchar 20 because names can be like 20, um, 20 alphabets long. So I mean, it treats space also as a gap. So, okay. Addresses are usually long, so varchar 50, status is small, so varchar 10. And ID is our primary key, of course. So, in SQL 3, we are running an insert query. So, we are inserting into the table student. And you can see here the values are given as question marks. So, this means here prepared statement in the SQL tree. Name is Shonglu. This is the address, and third one is the status. So we are updating this. So this will get updated. So we have one student now in our table. And then SQL for we are inserting another student, John Lu, his address and his status. So now we have two students, and then we are running an update query. We are actually changing the address of Shonglu to we're just updating the address, and then in the sixth SQL command we are deleting the student Shonglu. Dr. Lu also asked us to run queries from chapter 2 slides. So these are those um, chapter 2 slides. I mean queries from chapter 2 slides. So I'm basically taking three insert queries and one update query and one delete query. So I'll explain it to you right now. So first one is we are inserting first three are basically we are inserting three students and their respective address and their status. We don't need to update ID because it's auto increment, so it gets done by itself. And then the next sequel, which is sequel 10, is update student, and updating the status to sophomore where name is John Wells. So basically, John Wells' status will get updated from fresh to sophomore. And the last SQL query is delete. So we are deleting John Well from our student table. And yeah, and this is like our server localhost 3206. This is our database name testdb. And this is user John password. Making sure everything is right, otherwise it won't execute properly. So here we are executing statement 1 and statement 2, and then 3 gets executed here and 4 gets executed. And then here we are just running the update command over here and executing SQL 5. I think it's an update query. SQL 5. Yep, SQL 5 is an update query. And SQL 6 is a delete query. We are running that and result set. Right, result set. So select star from student. This is used to print the entire table. So after that, we are executing chapter 2 slides. This is for insert. Oh, my battery is on low. Sorry about that. I think it will work for some time. And then yeah, result set. Select star from student to display the entire table. And then this is like oh, which one is this? Oh, update statement. Yeah. So we are updating. This is update query, and last one is the delete query. And yeah, and all this is like from the test2.java and from the last exercise that we did. So now let's try and execute the code here. Yep. Oh, good. It compiled successfully. Now let's try to run it. Yeah, so let's study the output now. So Shang Lu, this is given by Dr. Lu. The inputs given by Dr. Lu. These two inputs. I mean, these two. Like, what can you say? Like these two students, basically. So after the update statement, you can see Shang Lu's address got updated, 123 Main Street to New Main Street. So it works. And then after the delete statement, there's only one student here, John Lu. And after that, we are running chapter 2 slides. So then we added like three students: John Will, Mary William, Bill Clinton. So that's right. And after that, we updated John Wells' status to sophomore. Sophomore. You can see here sophomore. And after that, lastly, we are running the delete statement for John Well, and John Wells uh, data has been John Well data has been deleted from the table. So it's executing successfully. That's all with exercise 3. Thank you.